We have over 20 hours to go in order to make it to Baltimore for one of our best friend's birthday. Needless to say, we got a long way to go. Where are we going?
We're going to Delaware. Going from Cape May to Lowell's, Delaware. Denise has been wanting to board a ferry every time we're by water and there's a place. Oh, let's go to Vancouver Island, or let's take the ferry to Alaska, or let's go. What's the other ferry you want to do? I want to the Gullah Geechee. There's a couple other ones that Denise has always wanted to do a ferry in our year and a half on the road, and today's the day that she finally gets what she wanted. And I'm pretty excited too. It's only an hour and a half ride, so the animals should be good. They're just hanging out, chewing on bones and whatnot. And yeah, so the highlight of our day is putting our van on a ship.
It's a happy now. All three of them are up here, actually. I'm not exactly sure why Rita decided to come up, but she's enjoying the sun. Okay.
All aboard! Hello.
How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good. Reed?
Yes, sir.
Receive your license, sir. Thank you. You just have 2 people traveling today?
Yes, sir.
You're all set. Lane number 4, and that's just to your right. We're going to board around 10 after 2.
All right, lane number 4?
Lane number 4.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank
You got it. Have a good day.
10 after 2, we are all aboard! Dun, dun.
What's nice being in
Where's
the
everybody
van
else?
while this is happening is that
they're in the
we
back.
get to like we can make a meal right now.
I know, right? We let Bella and Lucy out to go pee before we got on here because it is about an hour and a half ride across the Delaware. We signed up for this. There was an option at 6:30, and we decided to do the 2-hour drive to get here to cross during the day so that we could see everything in the light.
And it was a good call, I think.
Yeah, definitely a good call, buddy. Good call. We got on the road and we made it right on time. Really. Really. We just drove straight here from Princeton.
So excited, y'all. Like Reed said, I've been dying to take a ferry for a long, long time. Basically since we got the van. And we're taking one. It's a short one, but it's a good taste of what we could do if we took a longer ferry somewhere else. Maybe Canada. Maybe across to Europe. Maybe anywhere. The sky's the limit.
We hope you have a pleasant crossing, and thank you for taking a break from the ordinary to travel on board the Cape May Lewis.
They just made an announcement. It's time to return to the van. We're about to board. All aboard.
We're getting on a ship. It's been surprising to see so many dogs. I've seen like 3 or 4 people that walk their dogs before they got on the ship. Someone has a big sticker of their dog, I'm guessing, on their truck, and then there's a dog next to us panting, so it's very pet friendly.
How much did it cost us?
It cost us $16 per person plus $21 for the vehicle for a total of $43.
All right, Reed, are you ready to walk around?
Let's do it.
Let's check this ferry out. Let's walk around.
Yo, this is crazy. We should have got up front so we get some solar. Goodbye, New Jersey.
And we're off. We're on our way to Delaware. So they said it's an unusually rough seas day, and so the boat is rocking. We thought coming in the van might help, but the van is rocking, and I don't get seasick normally, but I am definitely feeling seasick. Ooh, that's a big rock.
Something about being in the van and swaying back and forth does not feel right. I think we're gonna go back on the deck. I just got my coat so I can be warm out there because it's super windy and that's why the seas are so rough. All right, we figured since we are on here, we might as well give you a quick and brief tour of the ship.
Go.
Starting to my right, we have life vests and survival vests and survival rafts. There we go. There's 2 located back here and life jackets. I was peeping those out first thing.
So we are on the 2nd floor right now, and we're at the front of the ship, where we have a beautiful view of the bay. There are very few people up here on the top floor, and I'm pretty sure it's because of the wind, so we have no line for the bar. 2 Dramamine, please. We have a wheelchair accessible elevator. Hey birds, are we halfway or what?
No? Okay.
Well, the birds didn't give me any real answers, so let's head inside, see if we can learn a little more about the ship.
We have been on the ferry for about an hour and we are getting super close. They said it's 85 minutes, so we probably only have 20 minutes left or so. The seats in here are really comfy, but I think I want to go out and catch the view as we come into Delaware for the first time ever in the van, our 39th state.
Not the 40th.
How about we go check out the view of Delaware, eh? I see a little land. Let's go check it out. The seas have calmed down tremendously now that we are close to land here.
Yeah, it's so much better, thank goodness. It was bad for a minute there.
Please return to your vehicle, miss.
We gotta go, huh?
It's
How
time.
cool is it?
Time to go back.
We're about to dock, and then it's time for us to run back to the car so we can get ready to drive off.
We got to Delaware just in time, an hour before sunset. I'm thinking we could either go to the state park or we can go to a brewery. That Louise, what's up?
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
You're a liar.
Oh my God! What on earth?